Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Friday, September 17th. August. If it was August, I wouldn't be riding during the day. It's only supposed to get to like 93 today. So make it a little bit bearable. But I bought a 36-inch Blackstone griddle with air fryers. I gotta scratch my nose. With 2 air fryers and a warmer. And I started another YouTube channel. I only got 1 video. But my wife got me an apron because I cook on it all the time. I made chicken fried rice. All the smash burgers are just incredible. I've made an entire chicken in the air fryer, baked potatoes, french fries. Oh crap. I love the way these lights just turn. I've made all kinds of food. Bacon for BLTs, but I only have 1 video. And I've been using my iPhone. It works really good. I bought another tripod. I shipped all my stuff up there, so I had to buy another tripod to use at home because we're supposed to be moved into the house on September 2nd, but we're not even close. We don't even have insulation yet. But anyway, I started another YouTube channel for my Blackstone cooking. It's called Chef Dumas. If you've ever watched Shawshank Redemption, my wife named it. If you ever watch Shawshank Redemption, where they're got library books and that one guy goes, dumbass. And Dufresne said, no, it's Dumas. So my wife named my YouTube channel Chef Dumas. So I got an apron that she bought me. So anyway, go check it out, Chef Dumas. I only have 1 video, but I don't really show myself a whole lot on these videos because I'm always riding, but you can see how old I actually am on that video, and I hate to see myself because I really look old. But it is what it is, says Viper 6. So out for a ride. It's not too bad. It's a little warm, but it's not awful. Bye.